Good morning, USA. We want to welcome you again to LMS Success U, where we train and teach all about taxes, insurance, and real estate. And today, on this interview or this podcast, we're going to be talking about taxes, the earned income bracket, which we've been taught in school, taught continuously by our parents to work hard to make a lot of money. But they forgot to tell us that the more money we make, the more we pay in taxes. I want to thank you today for being that hard-working American middle class, paying all the taxes that we need to get paid for our infrastructures and everything else. One thing I've learned, it doesn't make me more of an American or more citizen. The last time I checked, my birth certificate said Caucasian, and I'm already a citizen and a U.S. citizen at that. So I live in the greatest country in the world, but I also learned that earned income is the worst way to work for a living. So at Paychex or ADP, you can pick up the tax brackets. This is on a single individual making from 0 to 95, 25 at 10%, to the bottom 500,000 at 37% plus 156,689. So as you go to each bracket, as you continue to make all this money, the more Uncle Sam receives. And I'm not against that. If you believe in the hard American dream of working hard to make a lot of money just to give Uncle Sam more of it. So there's another way. So you can learn that at LMS Success U about passive and portfolio income, but I saved that for Saturdays. You're welcome to come in at 3800 Hopper Road, LMS Tax and Insurance. Our telephone number is 281-977-6572. Again, I'm teaching the tax bracket and how to avoid paying taxes legally like the 1%. Remember, if you're in the 99%, feeling tired, working hard, come see us. Thank you.